Welcome to Second Life Upcycling. I recently picked up these patent leather shoes for $3. They were cheap because one of the heels was broken. It actually completely fell off when I got it home. I knew I had to fix them anyway, but this definitely changed the complexity of the job. First, I had to remove the remaining heel. I did this by using a knife to separate it from the shoe and prise it off. Now, I'm an avid recycler and repurposer, so my challenge was to find something in my workshop that I could use to make 2 new heels. It took me a while, but then it came to me, a heavy-duty plastic pot plant. I cut out a section of the pot and, using the good heel, used it as my template for the 2 new heels. I then cut out the 2 new heels, checking that there wasn't too much overhang and then adjusting accordingly. I then sanded them down as close as possible. To affix the heels to the shoe, I used contact glue because there wasn't much for the new heels to adhere to. I simply applied this using a cotton bud. I was worried the plastic would be slippery, so stuck on some felt buttons I had lying around. And here they are finished. Once the glue had set overnight, I gave them a good clean and polish, and they're like new. I even wore them to work today. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more do-it-yourself tutorials, throw me a thumbs up. I upload upcycling videos and recycling projects weekly, so you may want to subscribe so you don't miss an update.